you can go to the start.spring.io. This is an official website of Spring Boot. You can select tool from here, language as well as Spring Boot version. As of now, latest version of Spring Boot is 3.0.2, and you can select the group ID, name of the project, description, as well as Java version and the packaging. You can also add dependencies from here. At least you have to add one dependency, and you can click on generate and a demo file. This will generate a zip file, and you can extract this file and create your project. Second way is by using a Spring Tool Suite ID. Create a new Spring starter project. If you click on it, it will also go to the start.spring.io, which is internally implementing this site, and you can do the same thing from here too. Way is by adding the starter test, and this web dependencies in your pom.xml file. This will also configure your project as a Spring Boot project, but this way I will not. But in the end of the day, you will be mostly using the first two methods. See you guys in the next video.